So I've decided that I'm going to paint these up. I've already scraped them off. I just used sandpaper, some 80 grit shit. Just give it a nice clean up. I don't give a shit. I'm just trying to get the basic off. That way I can take it. I had take actual brake cleaner and clean that out because that was like all nasty from that degreaser I did a long time ago. And then I'm going to go outside and now I'm going to paint them. And go, I don't know if I should, but I'm going with the engine enamel just in case of the heat. And yeah, I don't care the brand name as long as it's all the same color. I just gotta go find another one of those. The valve covers are painted. They're a dark blue, so Ford blue. Yeah, powered by Ford. Looks like the Thunderbird's color, like a little. But a little lighter maybe. I don't know. Next I'll do the heads. Once these all dry up and that. These things are all prepped up and taped to go. So even filled it all up there, so it's got all that covered. Yeah. That's what I'm after. Just paint this a real fucking deep blue. This is a Ford blue engine enamel I have that I've painted those valve covers for. The same color. Alright. So you can see the thing is painted. Yeah, you're wondering, what the fuck? Well, how'd you paint that without that? Well, I just switched those over there because those are a bitch to make, the exhaust manifold parts. So, even under there, that little rail for the intake manifold. Just get it look good. And I put the old spark plugs in there because I don't care about those ones. So, that way, it's all good to go. Did another coat to the valve covers too, just to give them a extra thick amount of paint. So it's the next day, and I decided to bring these outside, out of the garage, because the garage is really dark. And that's what it looks like. Not quite like the Thunderbird, like a paint that I thought it would be. Yeah, I just put that on there to protect that from that. But, you see, it doesn't look that bad. We've got the tape from pretty much the other head, so don't want that shaking and falling off. And that's the other one. It's pretty damn good. Can't argue. I could probably use a little bit more right there. Yeah. Yeah, right underneath the spark plugs. That's where I could use it. I think, yeah, same on that side too. So, not bad. I don't even think I'll get a bother with that extra bit, a little bit of paint. You know, I say good fucking enough. And yeah, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Any ideas, if there's any other stuff I need to do. And like always, have a good one.